Yes, start Omkar thrice. Om. 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 Sairam. So children, we already discussed many things like physical properties of metals, chemical properties of metals, uses of metals, differences in physical properties of metals and non-metals, as well as differences in chemical properties of metals and non-metals. Today, I will give you a brief revision. Displacement reaction we already discussed. With this is the last period of metals and non-metals. In coming period, we'll discuss the question answers of textbook as well as from other sources. Is it clear? So just see. This is activity series. In this activity series, the top one is highly reactive metal and bottom one not reactive. This is we already discussed. Lithium, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, copper, silver, gold, platinum. This is the activity series. And what we can learn from activity series, the importance of activity series is that highly reactive metal can displace low reactive metal. But low reactive metals cannot displace high reactive metal from its compound or salt solution. Is it clear to all? We already discussed about the reaction of metals with water. This is displacement reaction. I would like to show you again.
Generally, in a displacement reaction, an element reacts with a compound. This element is more reactive than one of the elements in the compound.
This is very important description of displacement reaction. What is happening in this picture? Element A, which is more reactive, is reacting with the compound BC. One of the element is present in the compound BC, and element A is more reactive than one of the element present in this compound.
So, it displaces this less reactive element to form a new compound.
What was earlier? Earlier, A was more reactive than B. B was present in the compound. After reaction, A, which is more reactive than B, displaced B from compound BC and found something new compound, that is AC. This is that. Is it clear about the displacement reaction? What we learn in this, we learn that one of the compound, one of the element which is present in compound, please mute your mic, Akhil. One of the element present in compound, and this element A is more reactive than another element which is present in compound. Earlier we discussed iron plus copper sulfate. So iron is more reactive than copper. What is copper sulfate? Copper sulfate is compound. We can call it salt here. So iron is more reactive than copper, which is present in copper sulfate. So it displaces copper from copper sulfate and form iron sulfate. And displace copper. Yes, Akhil, ask your doubt.
Sir, if there would be A plus BC, sir, it would become AB plus C.
Which element present in compound and the element which is less reactive in compound that will displace.
Okay, sir.
है ना? Let's see again. Very important to understand. If any doubt, please ask me. Mute your mic. This is that element A is more reactive than B and B is present in BC compound. So A displaces B. तो B कहाँ आ गया? Last में. And A attached with C and form AC, a new compound. So if someone asks you what is displacement reaction, you can write in displacement reaction, a more reactive element reacts with a compound and displaces a less reactive element from it. Is it clear?
Different metals have different degrees of reactivity.
This is
The
activity series.
reactivity series of metals acts as a tool to predict how these elements would react and what products would be formed.
So you have to learn this activity series. And then you can understand more reactive can displace less reactive from its compound and something new formed. So we can utilize this activity series or displacement reaction to form something new.
In some reactions.
1 minute better. Yes, ask.
सर मैंने जो सर ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज याद की थी सर उसमें टिन और प्लेटिनम तो था ही नहीं सर ऐसा क्या था
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Whatever you learn, whatever given in your text, is there given in the textbook?
नो सर
Okay, no problem. You can add tin and platinum also. Or if you, so only this much is important. Okay, beta? In class 8th, this much is okay, sufficient.
Let's try a small example.
With this experiment, with this illustration, you will clearly understand the displacement reaction. There will be no doubt.
To prove this. What happens when we place an
This is iron nail. This is copper sulfate solution. And when you see in your activity series, iron is more reactive than copper. Understood? Now see.
iron nail in a copper sulfate solution? It is quite amazing to see the color of the solution changing from blue to green and a shiny thin film of copper deposited on the nail.
Have you seen beta? What just we talked about? I told you that copper displaces. Iron is more reactive than copper. Where is copper present? Copper present in copper sulfate. Iron is more reactive. So iron displaces copper from copper sulfate and copper deposited on iron. Yes? And color of the copper sulfate, it was blue. But after reaction, copper sulfate now turns into iron sulfate and its color become green. This is a chemical reaction. I think we studied in class 7th. Yes? So,
Yes, sir.
So when
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. When school will start, then we will do this activity in the laboratory to understand this much better. Okay. Now see what happens next.
If we look at the reactivity series, we see that iron is
Iron sulfate plus copper.
more reactive than copper.
See, this is another way to write the equation, but you don't worry about it. This is copper sulfate, this is iron sulfate, this is copper.
Hence, it displaces the copper from the copper sulfate solution. Let's check your understanding with a small interactivity.
Okay,
Can you guess which metals would carry the displacement reaction in the following examples?
are you able to see there are 4 elements: platinum, gold, silver, magnesium. Just see, here is less reactivity and dark red color more reactive. Which compound is present in it? Copper sulfate. Pranav Pradhan, are you there? Ninansa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Can platinum displace copper from copper sulfate?
No, sir.
We'll try. Okay.
Click the metal that displaces copper from copper sulfate solution.
We'll try platinum.
Oops,
No.
not quite. The
Plat-
metal you have chosen is less reactive than copper.
so
So, it can't displace copper.
copper sulfate
That's
plus
why
platinum,
you
no
can't
reaction.
see any chemical reaction taking place here.
We'll see second.
Oops, not quite. The metal you have chosen is less reactive than copper.
Again,
So,
there is no
It
reaction.
can't displace copper. That's why you can't see any chemical reaction taking place here.
We'll check silver,
Magnesium.
Not quite.
no reaction.
The metal you have chosen is less reactive than copper. So, it can't displace copper. That's why you can't see any chemical reaction taking place here.
The last one, magnesium.
Excellent. Magnesium, being more reactive, displaces the copper.
Yeah, this is possible. Magnesium sulfate, copper removed from copper sulfate and it displaced by magnesium.
Click the metal that displaces silver from silver nitrate.
Shahid,
सर मैं बताऊं सर प्लीज
Sir, may
Yes,
I?
sir.
Sir, may I?
yes,
Sir, copper.
सर
Sir, copper.
कॉपर
Copper.
we'll try with platinum,
Not really.
gold,
Not really.
सर
कॉपर
कॉपर
है
ही है
Good
yes.
job. Copper, being more reactive, displaces silver.
This is formula of copper nitrate. Silver nitrate plus copper. Copper displaces silver from silver nitrate. Silver displaces by copper. You can see here.
Click the metal that displaces copper from copper sulfate solution.
Sir, may
Which
I?
is possible.
Zinc.
Yes.
Zinc.
We'll try
जिंक
जिंक
सर जिंक है
with
The
gold.
metal you have chosen is less
Gold
reactive
plus
than
copper
copper.
sulfate, no reaction.
So, it,
Silver plus copper sulfate, no reaction.
the metal you have chosen is less reactive than copper. So, it can't.
Zinc is more reactive.
Zinc, being more reactive, displaces copper easily.
Zinc plus copper sulfate, zinc sulfate plus copper. So this was all about the chemical very important properties, and this property is that highly reactive metal can displace low reactive metal. Any doubt? Mayank Sahu, any doubt, beta? Mayank Sahu, Sarvag,
नो सर कोई डाउट नहीं है सर
Sahil, Manu,
सर
Yes, Ved.
सर हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि कौन सा मेटल किससे ज्यादा वो है रिएक्टिव?
Okay, बेटा. We have to learn the activity series. जो मैंने आपको शुरू में बताई थी ना, आपको वो एक्टिविटी सीरीज लर्न करना है. वो एक्टिविटी सीरीज में आप जो ऊपर होगा दैट विल बी मोर रिएक्टिव और नीचे जो होगा दैट इज लेस रिएक्टिव. ओके
ओके
सर
सर.
जिंक को हम थिन शीट्स में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं ना?
किसको?
सर जिंक सर बीट करके.
हाँ, जिंक इज अ मेटल मलेबल. ओके, वी आर कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. और कोशिश करें कि
सर
जितने लोग अपने वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हैं, कैमरा ऑन कर सकते हैं, वो करें. जो नहीं कर सकते वो अलग बात है.
सर
यस.
सर अगर कॉपर वेसल को सर मॉइस्ट एयर में सर रख दिया जाएगा तो क्या होगा फिर?
आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन बेटा कि कॉपर सल्फेट प्लस कॉपर प्लस वाटर प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑक्सीजन, उस पे कॉपर वेसल पे ग्रीन कोटिंग डिपॉजिट हो जाएगी. ओके, आप कॉपर की बात कर रहे हैं या कॉपर सल्फेट की बात कर रहे हैं?
सर कॉपर.
हाँ, कॉपर के ऊपर ग्रीन. आपके घर में कॉपर वेसल है, कोई कंटेनर है कॉपर का?
यस सर.
तो आप देखेंगे जब हम उसको नया खरीद के लाए थे और आज हम देख रहे हैं तो उसका जो अपीयरेंस है, टेक्सचर है, वो चेंज हो गया है कि नहीं हो गया? उसके ऊपर एक डल ग्रीन कोटिंग डिपॉजिट होती है. आई विल कम टू दिस पॉइंट. आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन. नाउ सी मोर थिंग्स. Some metal lose their luster when exposed to air over a period of time. What you were asking, this is that.
Have you ever wondered why silver items
When we purchase any silver utensils, any silver jewelry, when we purchase it, it was so bright, lustrous, but after some time it becomes dull. So some metal lose their luster when exposed to air over a period of time because they are reactive with water and air.
look dull when exposed to air over a period of time? Have you noticed that aluminium vessels
Aluminium, how it turns after some time, becomes very dull.
also gradually lose their bright metallic luster? Metals like silver and aluminium react with oxygen to form metal oxides.
So a deposition of metal
Have
oxide.
you ever seen red hot burning coal? When you
Carbon.
burn carbon, a non-metal, in the presence of atmospheric oxygen, it releases a gaseous non-metallic oxide. Reactivity of different metals differs, and so do their reactions with oxygen. Click the metal to view its reaction with.
We already discussed about it. Yeah, this is quite interesting. I am giving you some questions. And these questions are very important to understand the concept of reaction of metals and non-metals with moist air, water, and like this. Okay? Understand the questions carefully. And if you can note down, if not possible to note down, write down, wait. So when you will get the recording of this class, at that time you can note down these questions. Is it clear? Sanjay? I am showing you. Just see, this is first question. I will ask answer. Those who want to give answer will speak by your name. While making mango pickle, Richa's mother kept the raw mango pieces for drying in a steel plate. ऋषिका, देखा है मम्मी अचार बनाती है आम का?
Yes, sir.
ओके, जब आम का अचार बनाती है, आम को छोटे छोटे पीसेस में काटती है, रॉ मैंगो को, कच्चे आम को, और उसको स्टील के प्लेट में उन्होंने रख दिया है. मदर kept the raw mango pieces for drying in a steel plate, सुखाने के लिए. 2 days later क्या हो गया? There were corrosive marks on the plate. जो आप देख रहे हैं ना प्लेट, देखिए पिक्चर में, प्लेट पर कुछ कोरोसिव के निशान आ गए हैं. Can anybody tell me why this happened?
Sir, may I?
Yes.
So,
Sarva.
Sir, because the
Yes. Niyati. Niyati, continue.
this is because the acid present in the pickle react with the steel plate of
Very
the
good.
vessel to form toxic salt, which can make us sick and damage our health and
Very
some
good.
corrosive.
Yes. Any other want to give answer? Aniket?
sir, when the pickle react with the metals or aluminum, it forms toxic salts and hydrogen.
Very good.
That's why this happens.
Let's see answer. But your answer is correct. There may be slight difference. The acid in raw mangoes reacts with the metal of the steel plate, forming salts that corrode the steel plate. What deposited on the steel is a type of salt that formed by the reaction between what metal present in steel and acid present in mango. Now second question. Sanjay Dhakad. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will give me answer. Just the second question. Seema was conducting some experiments in science laboratory. She took a few pieces of sodium metal stored under kerosene. कहां पर स्टोर किए गए थे? केरोसिन में. She used only a few of these for her experiments and forgot about the rest kept on a piece of paper. The paper caught fire. Why? You understood the question?
Sir, may I?
Yes, sir.
Sanjay Dhakad.
Sir, may I?
Yes.
Sir, may I? Sir,
समय आए.
Sir, may I?
Chahe.
Sir, sodium metal is very reactive. Sir, it reacts vigorously with water and oxygen.
Okay, very good. It means that's why paper catches, it caught fire. Sodium metal has a very low radiation temperature. It is very reactive. Mute your mic. It bursts in air to form sodium oxide. Thus, the paper catches fire. इस कारण पेपर ने fire catch कर लिया है because it forms sodium oxide. Aniket.
Yes, sir.
Ramesh, a carpenter, makes exquisite furniture. बहुत स्पेशल फर्नीचर बनाता है. While going out for lunch one afternoon, he left the iron nails on the floor. कहाँ भूल गया वो? Iron nails floor पर. Will there be any change to the iron nails?
Yes, sir.
What will happen if it is the
Sir,
rainy
it
season?
will. So the iron nail will get rusted. So because when metals are reacted with water, metal hydroxide and hydrogen is formed.
Metal oxide and hydrogen form. Can you tell me which oxide form here?
Sir, iron oxide.
Iron oxide. Very good. So iron reacts with oxygen and moisture in the air to form iron oxide. As a result, the iron nails rust and become unfit for use. Now next, who will give answer?
Shahid.
Okay, Rishika is present.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rishika, this is for you. While cleaning the toilet with boric acid powder, Santosh used an iron brush for better cleaning. Will anything happen to the brush? Hello? Mute your mic. Mute your mic. Can anybody tell me?
Sir, it will react, sir.
Yes,
So
it will.
because
The iron brush react with boric acid, forming salt, which corrode the brush, and brush will be useless for some after some time. And Shanta cleans vessel using a piece of steel wool and detergent bar, but the steel wool gets spoiled very soon. Why? Answer is very simple. The steel wool contains sizable amount of iron. Constant exposure to dampness and oxygen in air causes rusting of iron. Thus, it gets spoiled very fast. So this was all about the reaction of metals. Yes. Is it clear to all? Some questions we discussed. Please open your camera. I would like to see again. Yes, Pranav is there. Pranav Pradhan is there.
yes, sir.
Anna, I asked you some question and you did not tell me the answer. Mayank Sahu,
Sir.
Prakhar Modi. Prakhar Modi, Mayank left. Whenever I asked question, somebody left the meeting. Why this happened? आते हैं जाते हैं भाग जाते हैं. So displacement reaction is clear. Akhil Babu.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt you can ask me. If you found you got the doubt after some time during the evening, you can send your doubts to my personal window. Is it clear? Yes, sir. This
Yes,
is
sir.
I asked you some work and I got that work of summer vacation only from two children, two students. Niyati first, Aniket second. What work I gave you? I gave work of revolution. Types
Yes,
of
sir.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
okay, याद आ गया, याद आ गया, याद आ गया.
Sir,
Gmail.
हाँ, तो याद आ गया तो मेरे व्हाट्सएप पर आप पर्सनली भेज सकते हो उसका फोटो खींच के पीडीएफ बना के. ओके
sir.
हाँ, क्योंकि जब किया है तो उसका अगर वैल्यूएशन होगा तो हमारे काम आएगा. और ग्रुप में मत डालिएगा, जिसने नहीं किया वही उसी को कॉपी पेस्ट करके भेज देगा, है ना. ऑल आर वेरी एक्सपर्ट नाउअडेज in technology. Okay, few more things. Can you tell me, Sarvag, what are the uses of metals?
What, sir?
Uses of metals.
Yes, sir. Some metals are used in various things such as utensils, toys, containers, and all containers are also.
Making this electric wiring, heat conduction, and aluminum foil are used for packaging medicines and all. Iron metal used in many purposes. Okay. Sanjay, can you tell me what is the use of zinc metal? Last year you asked me number of questions regarding that subtopic. That's why I am asking this question to you. Do you know about the galvanization?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
the
sir.
zinc metal is
Putting a layer of zinc or chromium
ah,
on a
Sir, it
ah,
protects
yeah,
it from
on a
rusting.
very
metal.
good.
It is called galvanization.
So you asked so many times this question na? Last year in 7th. So zinc metal is
Yes, sir.
used for galvanizing iron, and this galvanization protect it from rusting. Okay. Silver and gold very commonly used for jewelry purpose. Mercury used in thermometers. है ना? In our body, iron is present. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In our body, iron is present in the pigment of red blood cells. Red
Hemoglobin.
that is
Hemoglobin.
Hemoglobin.
So अपना हीमोग्लोबिन मजबूत ज्यादा रखना है कि नहीं?
सर
Yes,
रखना है.
sir.
रखना है. और हीमोग्लोबिन कम होता है तो दिक्कतें आती हैं. ओके. Oxygen is a non-metal used for respiration. Nitrogen is a non-metal which is used for fertilizers. Chlorine is a non-metal which is used for water purification process. Iodine is a non-metal which is used for what is the purpose of iodine?
So for antiseptics.
Very good. Sulfur and phosphorus are used in making crackers, fireworks. है ना? Carbon is used as a fuel. So these are the general uses of metals and non-metals. Now see, very important thing. Yes. Purity of gold. All of you know about the gold. Is a very costly metal.
You might have worn gold jewelry during functions or seen someone wearing it. They look bright and shiny and seem strong, don't they? However, these gold ornaments are not made of pure gold. Do you know why? Usually, the goldsmiths add specific amount of
Can we make jewelry with pure gold? Answer is no.
No,
No.
sir.
No.
We have to make some impurities in it to give shape, to give design of jewelry.
So otherwise it break.
or silver to
Yes.
pure gold. So, why is this required? Let's discuss it in detail. Gold is a noble metal and occurs in nature in elemental form.
It resists
Noble
chemical action. हम देखते हैं गोल्ड की चमक बनी रहती है.
metal means that it can resist chemical action. So, it doesn't corrode and cannot be easily attacked by acids. However, pure gold is very soft. It is easily malleable or ductile. That is, it can be easily made into thin sheets or threads. Due to this, ornaments made using pure gold may bend or break
Break.
if pressure is applied. This is why pure gold is mixed with specific amounts of copper and silver. A certain standard is used to measure the purity of gold. The purity of gold is expressed in carat unit.
24 carat, 22 carat.
100% pure gold is 24 carat. This purity measure changes as the percentage of pure gold varies. The most common measure of purity of gold used to make ornaments is 22 carat gold. It has 91.66% of pure gold. Here is a table which shows the percentage of pure gold present in different carats of gold.
So,
Based on the purity of gold or the carat value, the price of ornament varies.
so now some questions related to gold. Which of the following property makes gold useful for making ornaments? Ductility, shine, non-reactive to acid?
All of the above.
All the above. Very good.
All of the above.
The purest form of gold is
24 carat gold.
24 karat gold. Is mixed with gold to make ornament.
Silver and
Silver
copper.
and copper.
Pure gold is very
Expensive.
Expensive.
Soft.
delicate, है ना? If pressure is applied, you can see the correct answers. Pure gold is very soft. Now explain how we measure purity of gold. Not that much important for you now. This is that. Okay. Now see, last thing. These are the questions given in your text. I hope you will attempt these questions. In next class, I will give you more questions. Those are not given in the textbook. Which of the following can be beaten into thin sheets? Zinc, phosphorus,
Zinc.
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 Which of the following statement is correct? All metals are ductile.
C.
Generally, metals are ductile.
Generally, metals are ductile. Phosphorus is very
Reactive.
reactive. Metals are dash conductor of heat and
It's a good conductor of heat and electricity.
Electricity.
heat and electricity. Iron is
More reactive.
More reactive than copper.
metals react with acid to produce
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen gas.
True and false. Answers are already given. Generally, non-metals react with acid. False statement. Non-metals do not react with acids. Sodium is very reactive metal. It is true statement.
True.
Copper displaces zinc from zinc sulfate. It is false. Coal can be drawn into wires. No, false. These are the, we have to distinguish between metals and non-metals on the basis of their properties. One thing I would like to tell you, all of you, you can face this question, the differences between metals and non-metals on the basis of 3 physical properties or 3 chemical properties or both in annual examination or earlier examination. We already discussed all these differences. Give reason. These questions are very important. Aluminium foils are used to wrap the food items. Aluminium is a highly malleable metal. Therefore, it can be beaten into thin foils, and aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substances. Immersion rod देखी आपने? To heat the water.
So because it is good
Yes,
conductor of
sir,
heat and electricity.
Good conductor of heat and electricity. Copper cannot displace zinc from its solution because copper is less reactive. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene because they are highly reactive. They easily catch fire. They easily catch fire even when in contact with air. Can you store lemon pickle in aluminium? No, lemon pickle can't be stored in aluminium because lemon pickle contain acids, and these acids can react with aluminium and release hydrogen gas, and this can lead to spoilage of pickle. Usage. What happens? You have to write the chemical equation or word equation. When dilute sulfuric acid is poured on copper plate, देख लीजिए, copper plus dilute sulfuric acid, copper sulfate plus hydrogen. Can you write chemical equation also, beta? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with word equation, write chemical equation also. Iron being more reactive displaces. We will discuss more questions later. Okay. So this was all about and question answers. So almost chapter is over, and we will discuss question answer on Saturday. Okay. So Shanti Path. शांति शांति शांति। Sai Ram.